Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Happn app not working in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection can stop Happn from loading. Step 2. First close the app. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Find Happn, then swipe it up to close it completely. Reopen the app and check if it works. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitch that may interfere with app performance. Step 4. Update the Happn app. First open the App Store, then search for Happn app. If an update is available, install it, and outdated apps often crash or fail to load. Step 5. Check location service. Happn relies on location access. First go to the settings, then privacy and security, then location service, then go to Happn and make sure location access is set to always or while using the app. Step 6. Check for iOS updates. First go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. Some apps may not work correctly on older iOS version. Step 7. Delete and reinstall the app. If nothing works, delete the Happn from your phone, restart your phone, then reinstall the app from the App Store and log back in. That's how you can fix if Happn app not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.